let's say you had a group of words such as pre-game, pre-text, and prefix, and you wanted to find the longest common prefix among them. Well, what you would do is you would let prefix equal the first word, and then you would iterate through all the words, and all the while, for each iteration, you would check if the first word is equal to all the other words. And of course, it's not going to be equal at first, but every time that we determine that it's not equal, we'll remove one letter. So we reassign it to itself plus or minus one letter. So we'll minus the length of our word, and then we'll check again. And if it still does not equal, then we'll remove another letter until we find the longest common prefix. And there it is. The longest common prefix is pre.